Good morning, Coralville Central. This is Miss Redmond in the lab and in the library. And next week you are going to be doing some tests on the computer in the lab. It's going to be great. This is just so you know what to expect, okay? When you get in the lab, the Symbaloo will already be up for you, okay? So all you have to do is you need to look for a new tile that we don't usually have on here. But the tile is white. There is a yellow circle. And there is a kayak or a canoe. That is like a boat that you would row on the water. And the canoe is a turquoise. So we can go ahead and we can click on the canoe. And here we are. Over here, I see the word username. When you click on the word username, it comes up underneath. You can go ahead and click on right here underneath, and then you can click on the words log in. Okay, and here we are. Now we are going to go all the way up into the right-hand corner, okay? And boys and girls, I see this downward pointing arrow. That is called a drop-down menu. You click on that drop-down. We're not going to do anything right here because that already says the name of our school. That says Coralville Central Elementary. However, the next one, this arrow, you can go ahead and click there. And this is where you can pick your grade. If you are a kindergartner, you would pick right here. If you are in first grade, you would look for the word 1, okay? Because 1 and first kind of mean the same thing. If you are a second grader, you would look for the word 2. And if you are a third grader, you would look for the word 3. I am going to pretend that I am a first grader. So I'm going to look for the word 1 right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And now I'm going to go down to the next drop-down menu, and I'm going to click on that arrow. I am going to pretend that I am in Miss Jensen's classroom. If I was in Mrs. Leather's classroom, I would pick right here. If I were in Mrs. Lohman's classroom, I would pick right there. Okay, but I am going to go ahead and pretend that I am in Miss Jensen's classroom, and I'm going to click. Her name comes up, and I will click go. All right. Now, this is probably honestly the hardest part. On this blue bar right here, there's another tab that says screening. If you can look for the word that starts with S, screening, you can go ahead and you can click right there. And boys and girls, this is where you are going to look for your name. You might have to scroll all the way down, okay? I am going to pretend that I am May, okay? Now, if I find my name, and remember I'm pretending I am May, I am going to just keep my arrow right there. A teacher will come around, and a teacher is going to click on this clock right here. You do not do it. All you do is find your name. If your name is Ashani, you just go right there. You don't click. You don't do anything. If your name is Erica, you would come right here and you would just make it go yellow. You don't have to click. A teacher will come around. They will click the timer and you can go ahead and get started. All right. So I'm just going to review real quickly. You come up here. You pick your grade. If you are a second grader, you would pick 2. You can go ahead. I will pretend I'm in Miss Dively's room. You can click there. We click go. We find the word screening. We click. I am going to pretend that I am Alexis. I find my name. I hover over it and I just wait. A teacher will come around. They will click on this timer and then Alexis will be good to go. Great. It's going to be awesome. Way to listen. Bye.